listen up you lot, this is the plan. Got to fix the exhaust, it's hanging down a little bit, so got to fix that. We're going to put a poly bulkhead in on the cage at the back. We're going to fit a fire system, going to reroute the boost pipe because it goes underneath the car at the moment and it's a bit crap. We're going to fit a meth kit and we're going to sell the Evo to pay for it all. Wait, what? So unfortunately this one's going. Now you might think I'm a bit mental selling the Evo to pay for the French shitbox, but there's an extremely good reason for that. I really love the Evo, it's a lovely car, but I'm not that attached to it in a sentimental way as much as I am to this one, and I'll show you why right now. So this is what happened to my last 306 that I supercharged. Chucked some pictures up of that. This wasn't my fault. This was in 2017. Some bell end was overtaking on a blind bend and hit us head on, wrecking the car, me, my girlfriend, and killing my friend who was in the back. So the 306 is a lot more sentimental to me than anything else. So if I got to sell the Evo to pay for it, I will. Plus I like making these little videos, so it's a win-win. So the accident left me with injuries, which I find it difficult to walk around. Obviously makes it difficult to work on the car. Part of the reason, not all of it, part of the reason why the turbo's in the boot as it was, because there wasn't much, you know, scrabbling around on the floor or whatever, but there's going to be now because I need to fix the exhaust. And unfortunately I don't have a garage, so I've picked a really bad time to be starting all this, because my mates thought it would be a great idea to book a track day at Snetterton in March next year, and I had fear of missing out, so I booked it. So now at least I've got a date to work to, so all of that stuff we've got to get done before then, and I've got to do it all here on my driveway in the cold. Snowing today, got to get rid of that. That was a ill-advised attempt at an engine block cleaner bucket. Did not go well. Yeah, so I'll get it up in the air soon, injury permitting. But today for months. So in the meantime today I had this nifty little turbo blanket delivered today, which is why I've decided to make the video today. Got all excited about it and wanted to fit it, so we'll just chuck that on today. Yeah, so like everything on this car, it's a bit custom. So because I've got the turbo hanging off of this bracket, it don't fit. However, I'm sure we can work it out. So that's got the turbo blanket on then. You can't really see it because properly anyway, because of the way the turbo's orientated. And I'm going to have to do something about the way it's held up, although it's pretty solid as it is. When I put the exhaust back on, I think it'll be alright. I don't really want to be cutting holes in the nice Funk Motorsport very expensive turbo blanket, so I'll have to come up with something else, but that's a thought for another day. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it then for this one. Like, subscribe, all that if you want. We'll be doing some next thing to do is get it up in the air. I'll do a video on the exhaust and then fitting the meth and stuff like that, and hopefully I'll get round to mapping it before I go to Snetterton, but maybe not, we'll see. Yeah, so I'll see you next time. Laters, fuck.